Today we are starting off with a 32-ounce plump from the Still Magnolia. I will have a discount code linked for you guys down in the description. We are starting off by giving it a good sand for great adhesion with an 80 grit sanding block. Now I am going to measure out 5 1-inch sections starting at the top and taking this measuring tool from Mizzy's Doodles. I'm just going to take a marker and twist my cup, making marks all the way around to give myself a nice straight line to apply my vinyl later on. Now that you have your tumbler all sectioned off, you're going to cut 2 pieces of pattern vinyl at 1-inch sections, and you're going to skip the top section, adding your vinyl to the second section, and then you're going to skip the 3rd section and add the other piece to the 4th section. All vinyl and glitter used today in my tutorial is from one of my past designer boxes. All of my designer boxes are released monthly. They come with 2 pattern vinyl sheets and 3 coordinating custom mixed glitters. If you would like more information, make sure you join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group as I post all information there. Measure your tumbler from the bottom line to down and around the rim. Then you will cut a second piece of coordinating vinyl and apply that to your cup. For the bottom, I like to go around and cut about a 1/2 inch sections. Then I pull each section very tightly and make sure it's smooth around that bottom rim. Now in between each section of vinyl, you're going to take an acrylic paint, or my personal preference is a chalk paint, and paint each section a color that will coordinate with your glitter colors. Now you can take your choice of adhesive. I am just using Mod Podge today. And you're going to apply the glue to each section and add the coordinating glitter. This first section I am using probably one of my new favorite fall colors called Hayride. In the center we are applying cider, and at the very top we're using this really cute light blue called Breezy. Once your glue is all dry, I suggest you spray seal each glitter section really well so your glitter doesn't move when you apply this epoxy. I like Rust-Oleum or Krylon's triple thick, and then once that is dry, you can add your layer of epoxy. Once your epoxy has cured, you're going to take and cut out some coordinating vinyl stripes. This one is a color shifting one from Diycrafts. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact name. I got it in a bundle forever ago, but I did get the bundle on Amazon. We're going to take these stripes and place them on the top and bottom of each section. After your first coat of epoxy, I then like to go back and add a perfect circle to cover the bottom. I do that just to ensure there is a nice smooth base and you don't see the overlap of vinyl. This color shifting vinyl is known to lift, and it can also repel your epoxy. So what I like to do is just take some sort of quick seal. This one is from Artistry Epoxy. I just apply a little bit around each section with my finger. Once your quick seal is all dry, you can add a layer of epoxy. Once that epoxy is all cured, you're going to add your decal. This one I chose is really cute. It says Fall Vibes Only. This is available in my Etsy shop. Once your decal is applied, you can add your final layer of epoxy. And here is our tumbler all finished. Make sure you check the description for the links to all products used. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, make sure you click the link in the description to my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group.